Hi, grade 2. I'm Miss Iman Said from Learn Teacher Iman channel. Today, I will resume Connect Plus in your book Connect. I will resume Connect Plus Unit 10. But before I will go to our unit today, I would like to say, don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our revise today. Today, it will be the revise on Unit 10. Let's go to this unit and know what about this unit. At the supermarket. Here we have some vocab. Let's learn it together. We have here supermarket, market, shopping, stall, cheap, buy, expensive, sell, bookstore, hungry, bakery, a pair of shoes, butchers, crosswords, present, get, money, and receive. Here is coins, list, notes, peer, storekeeper. Here is cucumber. Here is cucumber, bread, tomato, potato, yogurt, butter, email, cheese, write, letter, envelope, type, address, differences, school trip, towers, crafts, statues, community, teacher, principal, firefighter, emergency, police officer. Here is we have the grammar structure here. It will about conjunctions. Let's learn it together. Here we talk about the three conjunctions. We have here three conjunctions. Let's learn it together. And, but, and so. When we use and when we use but, and when we use so, and when we use because also. So we have here conjunction, or we say coordinated. We have a coordinated conjunction, which have and, but, so, and because. Let's learn it together. And means something adding to something. When you say, I work slowly and my work is done correctly. I like to run, but I don't like to get sweaty. So here, but here means contrast means contrast. Something is positive and another one is negative. Like this, I like to run, I don't like to get sweaty. I cleaned my room so I can play outside. So this so is result. Because is reason. The difference between so and because. So is used as a reason, but because so is used to adding to for results, because for reason. Like what? I cleaned my room so I can play outside. We went to the bakery. Why we go to the bakery? Because we needed to buy bread. So when we say we needed to buy bread, so we went to the bakery. If we want to make it so, when I want to make this for because I can play outside because I cleaned my room. So we say I cleaned my room so I can play outside. Let's go to another item here in this part. Important to know it, which is using the verbs that followed by ing or as we know, gerund, like this. Likes shopping, hate traveling, love seeing, enjoy watching, prefer playing. So here we called what? Called gerund. Let's go to another item here in this part, which is the past simple tense. When we use the past simple tense to describe action happened and ended in the past, as we know. I would like to say that that I have a videos about past simple tense, and I explained simple tense several times. You can return to the videos and revise what I told before. So here, past simple tense. We use the past simple tense for what? To express something happened and ended in the past. Here we say, I lived in Cairo when I was young. Did you live in Cairo when she was young? So here, did to used for what? To make a question. Here I use did for to write it. So I would like to say, when we use did, the verb must be in what? In the stem form, like this. Say, did you live? If we say here, did you live? Some of you saying when you say lived here, Miss Iman, what can we take? We take zero directly. Why zero? Why zero, Miss Iman? Because as we told you before, that did and does replace what? Replace the conjugation of the verb. The verb must be written in what? In the infinitive form. If we have did, so the verb must be written in the infinitive form. Let's go to another one here. Here is the WH question. I went to London last year. So when did you go to London? Where? To ask about places. Where did you go to last year? Here we have another item here in the grammar structure, which is countable and uncountable nouns. Let's know it together. We make a distinguish or difference between countable and uncountable noun by what? By adding s to the noun, like this: pencils, boys, stories. I omit the y and adding ie s to the stores. Here's what: es, tomatoes, watches, brushes, dresses. Here we have a not countable noun like wood, water, metal, water, paper, fly, cheese, bread, salt, butter, milk, sugar, juice, and oil. Here we use an or and by what? By singular noun. Like we say a book, we say a pen. So here we have singular nouns, we use a. So here we use some and any. We use some with what? We use some with affirmative, with affirmative, offers and request. We use some. Any used in two cases, in the question form and in the negative form. Like say, isn't any juice, isn't any water. Here is, could you give me some money? So this is a request. With offer, would you like some apples? Yeah, let's continue the rest of this is the exercise in this unit. A principal is what? A principal is charge of a school. So I select number 1 by number B. The police officer can help what? Can help in an emergency. This one. What did you do? What did you do today? I went to shopping. Yes, we need to space. We need what? We need to buy some milk. Okay. Let's go to another one here. Here is we have cheap, we have expensive, we have bakery, we have recipe, we have here butcher, we have bookstore. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Space, here is a question, here is multiple choice. The space is a charge of the school. We need one principal. Helps us in the when we are sick. We hear nurse. Space brings food to our tables. To our, give food to our tables. Waiter, not chief, because chief cooking the food, but bringing food to the tables in the restaurant is waiter. We went to the space to buy some fruit. To market, you have clever people. This car space, it's not cheap. It's not cheap. So I give you the opposite of cheap. It will be what? It will be expensive. How space does it cost? How much does it cost? How space oranges do you need? So here we have many. Why many here? Because I can count it. So how many? Let's get space. You got 2. Let's get some. You got 2. Do you enjoy space books? Do you enjoy here? Enjoy, as we told you before. Enjoy, like, prefer must be followed by what? By ing form like this. I was thirsty. Space. I drank 2 bottles of water. I was thirsty. So the answer it will be so. Why? Because it will say I drank 2 bottles of water because I was thirsty. So here I give the reason, but here is the reason. I was thirsty. So I do what? I drank 2 bottles. I like chocolate. I don't like chips. So here the contrast sentence, it will be but. Here space and orange. Here is an orange. Why is? Because it's singular. Let's go to another one. I'm making juice. I like drinking juice. I'm making juice for what? Because I like drinking juice. Let's answer the next question. It will be subject plus verb plus object. Let's answer it. You to be here. You can send. You can send an email to friend. You can send an email and email to friend. An email to your friend. An email to your friend. To your friend. Your friend. Okay, to your friend. Let's answer the next question. We need 4 oranges. We need Here is subject, verb, and object, the rest of the sentence. We need 4 oranges. I would like some rice, please. I would like some rice, please. I would rice, please. And I put full stop at the end of it. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Let's go to another one here. If we are space, if we are sick. People space at the help us. People at the hospital help us. At the hospital help us. There are space and nurses. They are doctors and nurses. Doctors and nurses. To space to help us get better. To help us get better. To help us get better. Let's go to doctors help us. Help sick people, not us. Help sick people. Be here, not us. Help sick people. Sick. Help sick people. Sick people. Here, I would like some here, some rice. Here is the principal. As we know, the principal. This laptop is very expensive. Okay, it's very expensive. Very expensive. We can say very expensive, and we can say also is not cheap. I can say very expensive, and we have another which we say not cheap. Okay, if we can't write, if we can't remember expensive in the exam, you can say not cheap. Both are correct. Okay, let's go to another one. By this unit, we end from revising unit 10. Next class, I will revise. Next video, I will revise unit 11. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot, and see you again. Goodbye.